Hi guys, we are going to talk now about tubular peyote stitch. I didn't use so much tubular peyote stitch in my work when it's about necklaces and bracelets because for me, in my opinion, for me also personally, that is too rigid structure. I have maybe one bracelet what I made in tubular peyote, and I also embellished the whole bracelet. So that's one of the ways how you can use tubular peyote stitch. But the tubular peyote stitch is mostly used for bezeling rivoli or beading around some objects like this candle holder. So this is tubular peyote stitch. Okay, this piece is made a little bit with decreasing, and also I add here some things, but this is tubular peyote stitch. Mostly, as I said, it's used for bezeling rivolis. And I'm going to show you in the workshop, we are going to make this ring. Before that, I'm going to show you tubular peyote stitch even count and odd count tubular peyote stitch. This is also bezeled rivoli with tubular peyote stitch, now embellished with bicones. I don't know. Actually, I'm not sure anymore how to pronounce. And yeah, I will show you how to do it. Here, when it's about the ring band, for the rings, you are going to, as I said that before, you are going to use odd count peyote stitch. So let's start the next lesson with tubular even count peyote stitch, and then I will further on show you odd count peyote stitch, and then we are going to continue with the workshop for this ring. Okay, see you in the next lesson.